The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series is a refinement of the Galaxy Watch 5 series, with a few new features and improvements. The biggest change is the return of the rotating bezel, which was missing from the Watch 5. The bezel is a welcome addition, as it makes it easier to navigate the watch's menus. Other new features include a body composition measurement tool, a new sleep tracking algorithm, and a faster processor. The battery life is also slightly improved, but it's still not as good as some of the competition. Overall, the Galaxy Watch 6 series is a good smartwatch, but it's not a revolutionary upgrade over the Watch 5. If you have a Watch 5, there's no need to upgrade, but if you're looking for a new smartwatch, the Watch 6 is a solid choice. Here are some pros and cons of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series. Pros: rotated bezel for easier navigation, body composition measurement tool, new sleep tracking algorithm, faster processor, slightly improved battery life, sleek design, wide range of features. Cons: not as many third-party apps as the Apple Watch, battery life could be better, expensive. If you're looking for a smartwatch with a great design, a wide range of features, and a long battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series is a good option. However, if you're looking for a smartwatch with a lot of third-party apps or a very long battery life, you may want to consider the Apple Watch.